guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to hiking. Leslie found this spot on her map. And we have our water. She has her water. And then we have some snacks that we were gonna take on our hiking. But we finished the snacks.
Shame on us, girl. Shame on us.
That and then
All bad.
it's called the Shipwreck Trail.
View that they have?
Guys, there's no trail.
Well, yeah, there is. Look.
Wow, look how pretty that is.
I think we have to go that way.
Over there
it's
it's
the Malibu.
over there
Yeah.
where the mountains are.
Yeah.
And then over there is Redondo Beach.
Crazy.
Pretty. Yeah, my toes are like está de bajadita. I don't want to fall. Go girl. So pretty. It's time for some quick photography. There's some surfer guys somewhere down here. We'll see if we can find the surfers. I spotted the surfers. It's so hot. Gotta stay hydrated. Okay, we're gonna go down this. She doesn't want to go around, so we're gonna go down here, all the way down there, go around those rocks to get down there. Wish us luck. I'm not gonna record because I don't want to fall. Cause look at that, that's a cliff. We're done if we go that way, so I have to go this way. Oh,
Okay. Now I
we have a big old water. So this was the scary part?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll sit down so
I got it.
could get you.
That's my scary part right here. Yeah.
Why?
Cause I don't wanna. See? You sat doan. So
I guess the dirt on my ass.
I can see on your legs, yeah. Not on your on your butt a little bit.
Wait, I'm kind of scared. The surfers are probably staring at us like you're
Why? They're not even looking at us. They're doing their own thing, trying to catch the waves. I'm scared if I fall. Okay, I have long legs. I have long legs. I don't want to sit down.
I think we're gonna fall. I definitely feel like we're gonna fall.
Okay, come back up. I think the other side was better.
Wait, I got a picture of me right here.
Okay. She's going through the dangerous section. Oh wait, wow. What the hell? We could have just gone down through that side. Found another way. Let's see if it takes us anywhere. No, I know, but like to go all the way down? It's breaking apart. Imagine this whole chunk just fell off. Huh? Am I on your way? I know. Time to climb back up. I'm almost there. Look. So I was just waiting on the AC to turn on.
where they don't, they just come just enough to get the blowhole exposed to blow.
Crazy tight. We came to the Vincent Bluff Reserve. Rattlesnakes. Do you want to go in there?
I'm only going like halfway and we come back, okay?
So many plants.
Yeah, because like
So
it's
green.
literally you're just going straight that way.
Yeah. Let's go back. We regretted this instantly.
I think this is a good place to take Archie.
Yeah.
But other than that, for us, no, we need more action.
Lonely cricket.
It feels so nice.
Como joya de oro, esas piernas.
We're going to the house to eat some tuna. My friend has this really old gadget and it says a bag sealer. So, excuse my nose. You have this bag, right? And it's open. Right? So I'm gonna put it in here. And I'm gonna close it. Oh, I fucked it up.
What?
Well, look, it kind of closed.
Not really.
It closed.
It closed? Oh, it's supposed to seal.
Cool. Super cool. And it's a can opener. I haven't had gushers in a long time. Oh my god, I just bit myself.